Do you feel strange energy in your home? Do you feel heaviness within your body, around your kids? Yes, people try to place a spell on you. You feel it, but you don't know how to go about it. Today, I'm here to give you the secret of this particular herb, which is the Woɖuiwogbugbɔ herb, or back to sender herb, or you can call it Amaba Damaho. This herb that you see tiny is very, very powerful. Our ancestors, knowledgeable, kept this secret, and today I'm going to reveal it to you. You'll be there and you feel strange heat on you. You feel your energy have been drained, but you don't know how to go about it. When your kids sleep, they scream, they shout at night. You've done so many rituals, but it has not yielded to any result. I'm going to teach you the Woɖuiwogbugbɔ secret techniques or rituals that when you do, is going to eliminate all those negative energies on you, in your home, and send it to whoever that send that energy to you. It is advisable that you don't buy the herb at the market, because you don't know the person's energy, or it has been touched by so many negative people. So what you do is you wake up early in the morning, if it's at your backyard garden or in the forest or anywhere you can find it, you take it by yourself. Yes, and there's a trick. You don't just go and talk and pick it. No, with this herb, there's something we call white clay in our language. White clay, but in our local dialect, we call it shile, or ayelo. Most of the times when the women are pregnant, that is what they take to neutralize the scent or whatever. So you use that substance, that clay, that ayelo, you sprinkle it on the herb and say your intention, the reason why you are coming for the herb. That substance or that ayelo becomes a messenger. So whatever you want to use it for, that ayelo activates the power of the Woɖuiwogbugbɔ. So you take 7 leaves of it. Then when you get back home, you do what? Put it in a bowl with water. Then say your intentions, the reason why you came for it. After you bath, you use the mashed herbs onto your body. Then let the water dry naturally. This shows the spiritual protection. See, after you've done that, you stand in the center of any space, or you just stand at the center of your room and thank your ancestors for this protection. You do the same for your kids. Then get another 7 herbs, mash it and add it to your lotion cream, or any cream that you have. Use it morning, afternoon, and evening. And for 7 days, I promise you, these herbs work like magic. You are going to see restoration in your life. All those negative energies that do not allow you to perform a task, you are going to have a factory reset of your entire body. Your energy is going to work. Good luck, favor, and all those things, blessings, are going to come back to you. Try it and let me know at the comment section. I want to hear your testimony, because I've ever tried it. That is why I'm showing this, or that is why I'm letting you know. Our ancestors are very, very happy, and they are knowledgeable. That is why they put these things down for we anytime that we have trouble. Please subscribe, like, and share. But don't forget, I want to know if you've also tried this or with a different formula. Let me know at the comment section. Thank you.